PaperCrafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing for a grab bag that I recently purchased from PeachyCheap.com. I guess you can consider this more of an unbagging than an unboxing because it came in a bag. But if you've never heard of PeachyCheap, PeachyCheap is an online daily deal site, and they have daily deals every day. I guess because it is daily deals. But they have two. They'll have one for paper crafting and one for planners. So I like to get the paper crafting deals, and especially when they have the grab bags. I think it's usually, you get a lot of really cool things, and they're usually a pretty good price. This particular grab bag was $14.99, and then shipping was $5.99, making this about $21. I had told a bunch of my crafty friends about the grab bag, and before they could go out and even look at the site, it had sold out. So if you see this grab bag at PeachyCheap and you want one, you need to buy it right away because they sell out really quick. So hopefully next time when I tell my friends about the grab bag, they'll be able to get one. And I wanted to do this video because I told them I'd share with them what I got so they could kind of get an idea of what's in a grab bag. So let's go ahead and get started. I did open one end just to make this video a little bit easier, but I haven't looked at what's inside, and I'm really excited. I think getting grab bags is a lot of fun because you get this in the mail, you have no idea what's in it, and it's just a lot of fun to open. It's like getting a present to yourself. Okay, so let's see what we got. I'm going to get the first item out here, and this is the crepe paper self-inking stamp, and it has the word hello in a bubble. And I got one of these in a grab bag back last year in November, last year I think. And I think the other one I have is love. So good thing I didn't get the same one that I have already. These are really cool though. So that's a neat stamp. Okay, next thing we have is, oh, this is pretty. Amy Tangerine. This is an ephemera or die pack. It's got 36 die cuts. And let's see, this is kind of what's in there. I like that. I love cameras. Any kind of ephemera that has cameras, I love that. Really pretty. It's got like craft paper and gold foiling too. So far so good. Oh wow, this is cool. Look at this. This is a cling stamp set from Prima. It's Bloom from Jamie Daughtery. That's a really cool flower stamp, and it's huge. Look how big. So this is my hand. Look how big that flower is. That's amazing. I could see a scrapbook page with these flowers. That would be so neat. That's something I'm gonna have to play with. So far this bag is looking pretty good. Oh cool, we got the Good Vibes 6x6 paper pad from Crepe Paper. Oh, that's pretty. Love that. If y'all want to stick around to the end of the video, I'll open this up and flip through it if you're interested in seeing what's in this paper pad. Okay, then we have, this looks like a planner insert. You can always use stuff like this. That's cool. It's just a weekly planner. Guess that must be from their planner deals. Usually they don't see that kind of stuff in the scrapbooking or paper crafting one. Wow, that's pretty. I remember like these from when I was a kid. You used to get these patches and then you would sew them to like your jean jackets. But yeah, that's cute. I've been seeing more of this stuff like this, the patches in Michael's recently. Cool. Those are pretty. Oh, more patches. These are cacti. Cool. Two of those. And some hearts. These are cool. These are Valentine hearts from American Crafts, and there's gold, pink, red, and a light pink. Those are pretty. Then we have some stickers from Fancy Pants. As You Wish. They're like cardstock stickers, yeah. Oh, these are cute. Look at that. This is from, also from Fancy Pants. I can tell because of that little icon. This is the Poolside collection. They're paper clips, but it's like a, I don't know what that is. It's hard, but they're very thick. They're very dimensional. That'll be cute on a summer, like a pool layout. Cute, cute. Oh, it says silicone topped paper clip, so it's silicone. Okay, and then here we have from American Crafts. It's called Party 4 Decorative Trims. Oh, cool. That's like a banner trim. And then some ribbon and twine, and then like a scallop border trim. Cute. Okay, this looks like washi tape. No. It says tape lace from Glitz Designs. And maybe I'll open this and see. I'm not exactly sure. It says tape. It doesn't say washi. Huh. It's not really washi tape. It's like a paper tape. That's neat. And it's a really pretty pattern. It's not really washi tape. I'm going to say it's a paper tape. It doesn't have the feel of washi. So we have that. Oh, then we do have some washi in here. Here's 3 rolls of washi tape. There's a gray floral. That's pretty. That looks like that. I like that one. And then we have a green. This looks like a teal with green, like palm fronds. That's really pretty too. And then this last one is like a white background with green polka dots. So we have those washi tapes. Cool. Amy Tangerine Faux Suede Flowers. Those are cool. I'm not really sure what I would use that for though, because it's super dimensional. They're very, might be good on a card. They look like pom-poms, you know, like cheerleader pom-poms, but they're called Faux Suede Flowers. And I think it matches this collection right here. Yeah, it sure does. So I got ephemera and then some additional flowers. Yeah, that's neat. Okay, oh, cool, enamel dots. I love enamel dots. Those are neat. This is from Imagine That from Echo Park. And some really pretty colors. Next we have some planner stamps. I don't know why they put planner stuff in here. Not my favorite thing. This says Heidi Swap wood stamps. I guess they're the numbers. Those are kind of cool though. I guess I could use that for scrapbooking still. I don't really do, I did try planning, but I don't know. I seem like I spend a lot of time decorating my planner, and then what do you do with it after that? So I thought it was a cool idea, but I really prefer scrapbooking and card making. But those are kind of neat. Okay, then we have, oh, Splendor. This is one of my favorite collections from Maggie Holmes. My Mind's Eye Splendor. Is that? I think that's Maggie Holmes, isn't it? Doesn't say on here though. This is a planner set though. It's for planners. But I think I could still use some of these stickers in a scrapbook. That's pretty, and that's what's in it. Okay, got another sticker set from Fancy Pants. I like these stickers. This cardstock stickers, those are cool. And that's what it looks like. And then I got some more of this. I got this in the grab bag that I got back in November, and I don't really care for this too much. It's not really twine. I think it's called papers. It's made out of paper. I prefer actual twine, but it's still kind of cool. I like the color. So that looks like that's it in the grab bag, and I think I got some cool stuff. I think my favorite things was the stamps. I definitely like the stamps. That was probably the coolest thing was the stamps, the paper pad. That's cool. I love the enamel dots and this embellishment pack. So even just for this, $20, that was a pretty good deal. And then I got all this extra stuff. So I think it's, I love buying the grab bags. And I think they're fun to get in the mail and just to kind of have a surprise with the variety of different things that you may have never purchased yourself, but, you know, get sent to you. So it's pretty neat. Okay, so if you want, I will go ahead and open this paper pad up if you want to stick around. I'm going to flip through the paper pad, but if you like this video, please give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.